You are now watching Showbiz Now, your daily showbiz update. Enchong di magiging malungkot nga ang Kapaskuhan at ang darating na bagong taon. Ito'y matapos nga na isampanan ni Rep. Claudine Bautista sa Davao ang 1 billion cyber libel complaint. Ito ay laban nga sa aktor. Kaya naman ayon sa source na www.mb.com.ph, magiging busy na nga raw itong si Enchong D. Hindi dahil sa kanyang mga projects sa showbiz, kundi dahil sa pagpunta nito sa korte. Prosecutors in Davao Occidental approved the filing of a cyber libel case against him as based on a complaint filed by Drivers United for Mass Progress and Equal Rights Damper Representative Claudine Diana Bautista Lee. Note that Claudine received huge backlash on social media for her supposed lavish wedding after several celebrities including Enchong commented on it. Originally, her complaint included singer-actress Agot Isidro as with comedians Pakwang and Ogie Diaz. Only Enchong was indicted. According to prosecutors, the other respondents were merely exercising freedom of expression. This office could not attribute malice and ill motive to the said respondents who have taken upon themselves to be the so-called watchdogs of our society, part of the resolution with. They maintained Enchong did more than that by imputing a crime, malversation of public funds against Claudine, which peremptorily makes the complainant a soft target for heavy criticism and pillory, placing her thereby in a bad light due to such reckless and irresponsible tweet of the respondent. They noted that in his tweet, Enchong wrote, "The money for commuters and drivers went to her wedding. Let us not prolong this conversation and don't say otherwise." As to Enchong issuing a public apology several days later, they said calling someone a thief without proof with heavy malice is where to draw the line, as this is already libelous. Enchong is still mum on the issue. Yan nga ang kinakaharap ni Enchong D na ngayon ay napakabigat dahil 1 bilyong piso nga ang nasabing damage control na hiningi ni Rep. Claudine Bautista. Samantala mula sa article ng Passion Police, narito naman ang kanilang naging komento about rito. Well, sana nga sa side ni Enchong at sa side ni Claudine ay magkapatawaran dahil talaga namang napakalaking halaga ang kailangan na i-provide ni Enchong kung sakasakali na siya ay matatalo sa nasabing kaso. Yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners and thank you for watching Showbiz Now.